back how it felt. Way to wake up chasing the day. Turn it up a little, bring back the feeling. I wanna feel salt drying on my skin. Old board wax, let the morning begin. Call up the crew, no plan, no shoes. One more wave, nothing left to lose. Wet hair dripping on the backseat. Bare feet tapping to the same old beat. No one watching time, no one checking phone. Just laughing too loud on the long way home. I wanna feel those first nights again. Cheap loudspeakers and a house full of friends. No money in our pockets, no worries in the air. One good song and everybody there. I don't wanna wake up just to fade away. I wanna feel the morning like it's mine today. Bring back the feeling, the one I almost lost, the kind that made me rich without knowing what it cost. Bring back the feeling, for my heart got tired before I called it living, just because I survived. Bring back the feeling, let the old joy rise. I'm not running from my life, I'm remembering I'm alive. I wanna laugh before I think, say yes before I doubt. Dance like nobody's watching till the lights go out. Take the road with no reason, let the night decide. No map, no rush, just the windows open wide. I wanna feel those endless holidays, long warm nights and lazy days. Back when tomorrow felt far away and we had every reason to stay. There's a child in me who still knows how to run, still knows how to smile for no reason in the sun. Life was never meant to only be endured. I lost the simple things, now I want them back for sure. Bring back the feeling, the one I almost lost, the kind that made me rich without knowing what it cost. Bring back the feeling, though my heart got tired before I called it living, just because I survived. Bring back the feeling, let the old joy rise. I'm not running from my life, I'm remembering I'm alive. A reggae bassline through an open door hits my chest like it knew me before. One old song, one familiar sound can break these walls and bring me back around. I don't write to impress, I write to heal, to find the part of me that still knows how to feel. Bring back the feeling, the one I almost lost, the kind that made me rich without knowing what it cost. Bring back the feeling, for the days when numb, before I stop believing good things could still come. Bring back the feeling, let the old